Simon, avståndet är kadden, 228 228 kilometer, Bredband, Red, Nixonkilet, Hazrep.
Contingents are now marching to the tune of Kadam Kadam Badhai Ja. Their swords and rifles shimmering in the morning light, pledging fidelity to the motherland. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities which they will fulfill with unflinching devotion. These young and zealous catalysts of the army will be guarding frontiers and posts located at towering altitudes in the ice-capped mountains on craggy frontiers, where other than the enemy, survival against the fury of nature is a challenge in itself. Whether it is the glaciers in the north, the desert frontiers in the west, or the inhospitable jungle terrain of the east, these young men will safeguard the borders of the nation, always and every time. It is their utmost duty to ensure the defense of the motherland. The whole nation takes pride in them, and the land resonates with their praise. They who for their country die shall fill an honored grave, for glory lights the soldier's tomb and beauty weeps the brave.
At the outset, I wish to compliment the Zanman cadets on parade for your immaculate turnout, soldierly bearing, and precise drill movements, which have been most impressive. The standard of the parade has been outstanding. Well done. The Indian Army plays a vital role in the national security calculus of the country. As you step across the parade ground, you become an integral part of this culture. In your youthful eyes, I see a promising future of the Indian Army. May the stamp of your marching feet send shudders in the heart of the enemy. May you serve the nation with courage, fortitude, and dedication, and bring glory to your profession. I wish you a happy, fulfilling, and satisfying future. Good luck, Godspeed. Jai Hind.
Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne? This melodious tune of Auld Lang Syne, the lyrics of which were composed by Robert Burns, has never failed to bring back memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes.
parents and family members, when you pin on the stars on the responsible shoulders of these young officers in a few moments from now, say a silent prayer. Pray to the Almighty to give them strength, both physical and moral, to safeguard the nation, to give them virtues, to be upright in all situations, and to grant them alertness at all times, and above all, to keep their mind, body and soul pure and competent to lead their men and stand to the call of duty always and every time. Jai Hind.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अकादमी के दंडपाल अब इन नवीनतम कमीशन अधिकारियों को शपथ दिलाएंगे।
Repeat after me. I hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. I will observe and obey all commands of the President of the Union of India and the commands of any officer set over me, even to the peril of my life.
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी